Before I go ahead and start today's video, I just wanted to say I forgot how to start videos because it's been a while since I really vlogged. So for the next clip, you're going to see me install a new shift boot to the car that I already have ready on the side. So real simple. Bolts right here. Got to use a hex key. Take them out. The size that I used, because I have like 3 more different sizes in this. 764, I think that's what it's called. That's how it looks coming out. Here's a new one we're gonna be putting on. Yeah. Check it out. I made the old one fit. I just turned it inside out. Now I'm just gonna grab, where you at? Zip tie, tie it around and cut it off. All right, check it out. It's already done. So further it back. The last step's gonna be mounting it on this bracket, that way we can pretty much put it back on the car. I didn't staple it back together. All I'm doing is, with the pressure that's holding it, with 4 bolts that's gonna be in there, it's gonna hold it in place. So I'm just gonna put the bolts back on. And there you have it. That's the finishing project. Check it out. So it's gonna go like that. Trying to keep it clean as possible, but look at that, it matches the armrest. But you guys are probably like, wait, don't you have like a 10mm bolt or whatever the bolt is? I want to say about 2 years ago when I had a different shifter, it came with this. So I just hold this in place while I spin that counterclockwise. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Ignore the clothes. I went to go pick up some clothes from the laundry. It's holding it in place from where the staplers went. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it looked like you needed to like staple it so it can hold it. The bracket is holding itself in place, so even if I pull a little bit, it's not gonna go anywhere. So it's fine. This holds it in place. That was probably one of the things that really tripped me out when I was looking into getting this installed, because I was just like, wait, how is it gonna hold in place? I don't have a stapler that's like thick enough and all the other stuff. So it's all good. Yeah, let's go inside now. So anyway, guys, the car is pretty much ready to go. I got some RDX injectors in the mail sometime last week, and then I'm gonna be heading up Ollie from Ollie's garage to get my cams installed, and then from there I'm gonna be going to Danimals. I'm gonna be going through Inland Empire to meet up with Danimal, and then from there we're gonna pretty much tune the car. So it's gonna be really fun. I finally got the money to do it all, so that's why I've been saving and slacking on actually doing it. TSX cams, guys, RDX injectors. I'm ready. Now I just need to find the time to do it. Guys, I'm excited. And we'll just see from right there why I got TSX cams versus drag cartels. Or can you stop biting me? We'll go out right now. Give me a sec. Why I got TSX cams and why I didn't get like springs, retainers, and all the other stuff. Mainly because, bro, hey, sit. Thank you. Mainly because, 1, that involves a lot more money. 2, I'm really curious just to see how much TSX cams make more, you know. There, you get all the attention now. I'm really curious to see how much more power the TSX cams are going to be making versus the K20 ones. They are the 2006 to 2008. So those are actually the bigger cams, the biggest OEM cams you can get for the car. So, and you can just drop them in and not have to worry about upgrading the valve train. So that's kind of the reason why I wanted to do that. Random fact, if your pug has a double curl knot on his tail. It's the perfect tail. He has a perfect tail. He doesn't have the perfect eyes though. Sorry if this video was like all over the place, guys. So, but yeah, I'm excited as much as you guys are. I just wanted to share all this information with you, and we'll pretty much pick it up from there. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.